Hi, I'm Morao, the Lazy Makoti, and today we're in the TASTETube kitchen and I want to show you how to make something so delicious for dessert. It's my poached pear trifle. Okay, now we're going to get started with our poaching liquid. In here we'll go some water and then some wine. So on this night you'll need 2 bottles, one to drink and one to poach. I'm going to add some caster sugar, nutmeg, and a cinnamon stick. So while that's boiling, I am going to get started with my pears. Just need to peel that, and then this will go into our liquid to poach. So we're going to have a nice red color on here. So now Hannah is going to bring me my cooled pears,
which are looking incredible.
Right.
How's that color?
Look at that.
Oh,
I'm going to slice these in half. There we go. How pretty. And look, kind of looks like a heart. This is why this is for date night. Now I'm just gonna make like just thick slices of that cake. They go in there. Just line them at the bottom. Last little piece. There. How easy was that? So, ooh, that velvety goodness goes on there. And then more cake. And now we're ready. And then my pears go all around my dish. Can you see the little hearts? Now comes the custard. Now it's ready for the taste. The taste staff is here and they're gonna taste and tell us what they think. Dig in there, get the custard.
going in.
Yes, don't be shy.
Tastes like more.